zegt u?
Ziet ze niet.
Wie zie je niet?
Is dat maar van zijn apropos?
Wat zag je nou niet? Ik heb het allemaal gemist.
De titel.
De titel zag je niet. En het heet...
Nou, de studie met sunglasses after dark. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm so downtown, nothing to do with my friend right down my torture shoes. Standing on the corner of a busy street. Everybody kept looking at me. I was wearing sunglasses after dark. Oh yeah, baby, something to say about.
Staat net bij het beeld, hè?
Say we was ready. Sandwich to say goodbye. Oh yeah, baby, short break. Sandwich to say goodbye. With him, he was wearing Sundays to say goodbye. Oh yeah, baby, I'm sorry. Sundays to say goodbye. When it's two cats from coast to coast, and you want all the goods, love you the most. Get on the band, join the parade, turn on down and get you some shades, my baby. Sundays to say goodbye. Oh yeah, baby, I'm sorry. Sundays to say goodbye.
Ja, je ziet er geen vlekken van, hè?